Welcome to Pipe App. Let's get you started and ready to streamline your workflow. The first step is to create your login profile. Please enter your details. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Once satisfied with the details entered, proceed to the next step. We are setting up your profile and registering your organization. This will only take a moment. Please don't refresh your browser whilst your details are being processed. Your profile is all set up. We can now enter your company details. Please allow location tracking to enjoy the map features. On this page you can upload your logo and company details, which will appear on all your documents. You can also select the currency and set time increments for your tasks. Quotation and invoice notes will be displayed on the PDF version of your documents. Once you've added your company details, proceed to the next page. You can return to this page later and edit the information if necessary. Now select your subscription plan. You can upgrade or downscale at any time with our no fuss, no contract subscription plans. You are now ready to customize Pipe App to suit your requirements. Let's create some user types. User types relates to the position or role any team member plays within the company, such as supervisor, installer, plumber, or delivery driver. Let's add a supervisor to get started. You can add and edit user types at any time after the initial setup is completed. Next, you need to add task types. Task types relates to the services your company provides, such as site visits, quotations, repairs, assessments, installations, plumbing, or electrical work. Let's add 2 task types to get started. You can add and edit task types at any time after the initial setup is completed. We are almost done. Let's add a new team member. There are 3 preset user types. Technicians can view all job and customer information. They can only edit tasks assigned to them. The default view is their tasks page. Admin users can edit all job and customer information. The default view is the team calendar. Super admin users can edit all job and customer information. Add users to the chat platform. Create custom forms. They can also delete users and data. We recommend you add at least 2 super admin users to your organization. You can select which users can be assigned tasks. This feature allows admin staff who may not be involved with performing tasks to access the information. When users are excluded from assigned tasks, their names will also not appear on the scheduler view. User access can be revoked by locking the account. Please be mindful that you can lock your own account and will require another super user to grant you access. We recommend at least 2 users per organization be assigned super admin roles. After the details are saved, the new user will receive an email prompting them to set a password. Once done, they can be assigned tasks and access the app. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to add a Pipe App widget to your smartphone's home screen. You are now ready to enter the app. Please note that you can add clients from within the app too. Let's skip this step and add a client later. Select Enter the app. Congratulations, you are all set. You can now start adding clients, create jobs, and assign technicians to tasks. All the features are available from the landing page. You can access your profile via the user icon at the top right of the screen. In this section, you can edit your details. Access to the business profile is limited to super admin users. You are able to edit your company details via the Settings tab. The pencil icon is used throughout the app to enable editing. In this section you can add and edit task types and user types. You can also add products in the business profile section. Products, labor rates, or combo kits are used to create professional quotations and invoices. The custom form builder allows you to create checklists and bespoke forms. You can share the forms with your technicians and customers to ensure accurate data collection. We will explore adding products and creating custom forms in a separate tutorial. Let's add a customer first. Select Clients in the ribbon menu to add a new customer. Add the customer details. Please note that you can return to edit the details at a later time. All the information will be visible to your team members. You are able to add client-specific notes if required. The next step is to add property details. Any additional information provided will help your technicians plan for their task. You can add property-specific notes here. By default, the client's contact details are copied as the billing details. You can enter alternative details if required. You can edit the details at a later time if needed. On the overview page, the client, billing, job, and property details are visible. You can add alternative contact details for a property in the event the client is not the primary contact. You can also add insurance policy and claim details to a property. A policy is linked to a property, and you can decide if any specific task should be associated with the policy and claim. You can skip this step if you do not perform any insurance work linked to policies and claims. Now all the claim and policy details are easily accessible when viewing the property details. We've come to the end of this tutorial. You successfully created your organization and added a new user and some task types. You also added a client and alternative property contact details and link to policy and claim to a property. In the next tutorial, we will show you how your team members can add a shortcut widget to their smart device's home screen. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you require additional information, please contact our support team. You can select your next tutorial in the comments section below.